Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Wang Yihian with metric number 82505. Today I will present about the metric system and the imperial system. Okay, so what is imperial system? The imperial system was the system of measurements that was officially used in Great Britain from 1824 to the time they switched over to the metric system in the year 1965. As the British Empire was the largest in the world at the time, they standardized the different units of measurements used in various parts of the world to introduce the imperial system of measurements. Since ancient times, humans like to measure things for convenience, as no standard system of units existed then. Ancient Egyptians used the length of their feet or the distance from their nose to their outstretched thumb to measure distance. The imperial system of measurements has its roots in this convention of measurements using the human form. What about the metric system? The decimal measuring system based on the meter, liter, and gram as units of length, capacity, and weight of mass. The metric system of measurements was developed in France in the late 18th century after the French Revolution. Scientists in the country unified several traditional systems to give a unified standard system of measurements. The first unit that was defined in the metric system was the meter. It was defined as 1/10 millionth of the distance between the North Pole and the equator. Two astronomers, D'Alembert and Mechain, traveled to determine the distance from the North Pole to the equator and, based on their calculation, marked the length of a meter or bar, which was to use as the standard meter. The metric system is based on the original definition of a meter. Currently, the metric system of measurement is used by almost all countries of the world. Let's move on to the difference between imperial and metric system. The metric and imperial system are different based on their origin, units of measurement, and countries of use. The imperial system is based on the convention of measuring based on the human form, whereas the metric system is based on the definition of meter. Furthermore, the units, subunits, and superunits of a particular physical quantity in the metric system differ by factors of 10, while the conversions between units in the imperial system are somewhat haphazard with no definite pattern. The metric system is used by most countries, while the imperial system is used in the United States, Liberia, and Myanmar. In a conclusion, imperial units are based on parts of the body, so they are easy to estimate. It's great for cooking and knowing about how much material you need to buy for things like sewing or fence building without the use of measuring device. Thank you for your listening.